In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your phone as a mic on PC. Last time I did this and you said it was confusing. So right now I'm going to run it up into two videos. So the software app is WIFI. As you can see on this website, it's pretty much easy. It shows everything that you have to get. You have to get these attributes and these Windows installer, and you're gonna install this. I just installed this. See, it's like writing it there. I already have all of them like that. So coming back to the PC, you have to get these. If you have, just get it. If you have a graphics card or updated drivers like that, you don't even need them, but they suggest you get them because this is necessary for the client. Otherwise it won't be working. All this warm mic for me, it's just gonna be okay. You go next. This you're gonna choose here when you're using Windows 11, Windows 8. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. I'm just gonna go forward, and it's gonna show like this. It's gonna show that, and there's a system say rebuild the computer. I want to manually put it like, guys, you have to go to Play Store. You go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you're gonna search warm mic. When you search warm mic, you will install this. You will, let me uninstall it so I can show you. Okay, we're gonna install this warm mic, and while on PC, I just opened the app. This is the app. It's called MO Mic Client. So you can tap connect. So on your phone you will have an IP, the same IP. You have to type the IP on your PC. Make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Hey guys, Editor ETG here. I just noticed something. As you can see from my phone, the port is 81.125. So since everything has to be meshed, you can come on this, right? You can like do, you say options and go in advanced. Here's the port. You see how the port and the phone like are meshing, like the 81.25. that also has to mesh. Now back to the video. Do the same port and you're gonna say connect, and you have to click that. It's gonna fail for the first time. You have to click the play button on your phone. You say connect again. As you can see, subscribe, the recording is muted. I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna try on this. So I'm just gonna go on my OBS. It's my OBS studio. On OBS studio, I'm gonna go to audio. You see this, I have two mics, the warm mic device and USB. This is a dedicated mic that I'm using right now. I'm gonna switch to O. You're gonna hear the audio difference because now I'm actually using my phone to actually